Welcome to our channel E=mc². Today, we're diving into one of the most awe-inspiring natural phenomena, the solar eclipse. What causes these spectacular events, and why have they captivated humanity for centuries? Let's find out. Imagine a bright sunny day. The birds are singing. A gentle breeze rustles the leaves. Suddenly, the sky begins to darken. It's the middle of the day, but it feels like twilight. You look up and see the sun, slowly disappearing behind the moon. This, my friends, is a solar eclipse, one of the most awe-inspiring events in nature. For a few precious minutes, the world is bathed in an ethereal glow. Animals react strangely. The temperature drops. It's as if time itself stands still. A solar eclipse is a reminder of the power and beauty of the cosmos. It's a spectacle you'll never forget. So, what exactly causes a solar eclipse? It's all about a cosmic alignment. We have the sun, a giant ball of burning gas that lights our world. Then we have the moon, a cold, rocky sphere orbiting the Earth. And of course, there's Earth itself, our home. A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes directly between the sun and the Earth. The moon casts a shadow on Earth, blocking out the sun's light. This doesn't happen every month because the moon's orbit is tilted. But when the alignment is just right, we get to witness an eclipse. There are three types of solar eclipses: total, partial, and annular. A total solar eclipse is the most dramatic. The moon completely covers the sun, plunging the sky into darkness. During a partial solar eclipse, the moon only covers part of the sun, making it look like a bite has been taken out of it. An annular solar eclipse happens when the moon is farther away from Earth in its orbit. The moon appears slightly smaller than the sun, creating a ring of fire effect. To understand how solar eclipses work, we need to talk about orbits and shadows. The Earth orbits the sun, and the moon orbits the Earth. These orbits are not perfect circles, but slightly elliptical. This means the distance between the Earth and the moon, and the Earth and the sun, changes slightly over time. When the moon passes between the sun and the Earth, it casts two types of shadows, the umbra and the penumbra. The umbra is the darkest part of the shadow, where the sun is completely blocked. The penumbra is the lighter, outer part of the shadow, where the sun is only partially blocked. During a total solar eclipse, you need to be in the moon's umbra to witness the total eclipse. This area is relatively small, which is why total solar eclipses are visible only from a narrow path on Earth. People in the penumbra will see a partial solar eclipse. Section 4. Echoes in Time. Eclipses in History and Culture. Solar eclipses have captivated humanity for centuries. Ancient civilizations were both awed and frightened by these celestial events. They often associated eclipses with myths and legends. In Chinese mythology, a solar eclipse occurred when a celestial dragon devoured the sun. The ancient Greeks believed an eclipse signaled the wrath of the gods. The Vikings thought two wolves chased the sun and moon, and an eclipse happened when one of the wolves caught its prey. Eclipses also played a role in scientific discovery. Ancient astronomers used eclipses to study the movements of the sun and the moon. In 1504, Christopher Columbus famously used a lunar eclipse to impress and intimidate the indigenous people he encountered in Jamaica. He knew an eclipse was coming and used this knowledge to his advantage. Section 5. Witnessing the Spectacle, a guide to safe eclipse viewing. Solar eclipses are incredible events, but it's crucial to view them safely. Looking directly at the sun, even during an eclipse, can cause serious eye damage. Never look directly at the sun without proper eye protection. The safest way to view a solar eclipse is to use special-purpose solar eclipse glasses or viewers. These glasses block out most of the sun's harmful radiation. Make sure your eclipse glasses meet the ISO 12312-2 International Safety Standard. Regular sunglasses, no matter how dark, are not safe for viewing the sun. Another safe way to observe an eclipse is to use a pinhole projector. You can easily make one at home using cardboard, aluminum foil, and a pin. A pinhole projector projects an image of the sun onto a screen, allowing you to safely view the eclipse indirectly. Section 6. Mark your calendars. Upcoming solar eclipses. Ready to be amazed by a solar eclipse? You're in luck. Solar eclipses are not rare events. They happen somewhere on Earth every 18 months or so. However, seeing a total solar eclipse from a specific location is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Here are a few upcoming solar eclipses and where they will be visible. April 8th, 2024. Total solar eclipse visible across North America, from Mexico to Canada. October 2nd, 2024. Annular solar eclipse visible across the South Pacific and South America. August 12th, 2026. Total solar eclipse visible across the Arctic, Greenland, Iceland, and Spain. Remember to plan and make arrangements in advance if you want to witness these celestial wonders. Eclipse chasing has become a popular hobby, with people traveling from all over the world to be in the path of totality. Section 7. The universe awaits. Embrace the eclipse. Solar eclipses are more than just astronomical events. They are reminders of our place in the universe. They remind us that we live on a small planet, orbiting a star in a vast and mysterious cosmos. So the next time you hear about a solar eclipse, don't just read about it. Go out and experience it for yourself. Gather your friends and family. Find a safe spot to watch, and prepare to be amazed. The universe is putting on a show, and you don't want to miss it. Let the countdown begin. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the science and spectacle of solar eclipses. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating content. See you next time.